Now, yesterday we had a discussion on homepage. How should we actually develop a homepage which looks beautifully? So today we'll work on like how can we list the services of a company, right? So we just have title tag, and we also have a body tag. This is the template which we have, right? So I'll just say services. So for example, what template which we have, right? So if I want to share like what are the services offered by HLT Software Solutions, so I will be sharing like software development, right? So software development, IT training, soft skills training. So interview cracking skills, soft skills training, IT training, like interview cracking skills, and software services. Okay, so these are all the services. If I put it in just body tag and try to run this, right? So what happens? It shows in single line. So how can we make it as a bulleted list point? So to do that, we need to make use of a beautiful candidate called as unordered list. So unordered lists are called by like are represented with UL tag. So I'll just put it in UL tag and wrap it around with UL tag. So this should actually show it in list, but still let us see if it works. But still you don't see any work happening on the UI, right? But so each list item, whatever you see, right, you should actually wrap it around with a li tag. So if I just use li tag here, right, so now let us refresh. So it will show first item as a bulleted point. Okay, let us repeat the same activity for all the items. Okay, I'll just repeat the same thing for all the items. I'll say everything is a list item. Okay, I'll go ahead and refresh my page. It looks very beautiful. So there is some mistake here. List item closure is missed out here. So I'll just add an heading also, H1 services offered by HLT. You see a beautiful list.